Hello, and welcome to this presentation on moving from topic to essay. We're going to take one topic and write 3 different essays on that one topic. Now, if you are a Strayer University student and you're in my English 115 composition class, then this is particularly for you. Let's get started. So here are the essay topics to choose from: treating animals humanely, finding childcare, working remotely, monitoring toddlers and technology, examining reality TV. So you need to choose a topic that you have some experience with, maybe some previous knowledge of, and a topic that will be interesting to you to write 3 different essays from. So choose wisely. I chose working remotely because I have some experience with that, and I am particularly interested in working remotely right now. So that's my topic. Well, I need to come up with at least 3 points, 3 body points on why working remotely is meaningful to me. 1, flexibility to work at home. 2, earn extra income. 3, launch an online business. Now, narration is all about personal storytelling. So you need to have some personal experiences to include in this essay. I have some personal experiences with working remotely. One was as a scoring leader. The second was scoring essays from home. And the third was as a freelance editor. So my first body point, flexibility to work at home, will be built around my first experience scoring leader working remotely. Secondly, my second body point, earn extra income, is going to be supported about my personal experience scoring essays from home. My third body point, launch an online business, will be supported by the time I was a freelance editor and worked remotely from home. So as you can see, you choose 3 points on why the topic is meaningful to you, and then you outline your personal experiences that you can match with your body points. This will make this narrative essay successful for you, especially in the context of this English composition class. Okay, let's move on. Let's take a look at how to build your narrative essay thesis. Now, if you are a Strayer University student, you're using the web text. The web text is a template to help you learn how to build essays, not to lock you into writing something you really don't want to write. So understand that you can make adjustments to your paper after you run it through the web text. But here is a sample thesis for this narrative essay. Working remotely is meaningful to me because of the flexibility to work from home, the ability to earn extra income, and to launch an online business. Notice the thesis is only 1 sentence long. Notice how I put my points in parallel structure form: to work, to earn, to launch. That's what you want to do when you put your thesis together. You just want to put your brief points like that in that parallel structure form. Again, we are still building this narrative essay on working remotely around my personal experiences as a scoring leader, scoring essays, and working from home as a freelance editor. So, scoring leader matches to the first point, flexibility to work from home. Scoring essays under personal experience matches with to earn extra income. And freelance editor matches with the point to launch an online business. So when you're thinking about your narrative essay and when you're outlining it, this is how you want to do it so that you have a plan on how to go about writing this essay. Essay number 2, the informative essay. We're taking the same topic, the same general topic, working remotely. Now I have 3 different body points for my essay. In my mind, I'm thinking working remotely could create more job opportunities. It could increase health, the health of workers. So I wrote increases health. Thirdly, workers are more productive. These are the 3 points I have in my head. Now that I have 3 points that I think about working remotely, I'm going to find research to support these points. So what does the research say? Research says who, what, when, where, how, why. Right? Those old reporters questions. So now I'm going to find research to see if someone has done a study or talked about how working remotely really can create more job opportunities for companies and for individuals. Has somebody written about how working remotely increases health? Has someone written about how remote workers are more productive? I am going to find research to support these 1, 2, 3 points. Why am I going to do that? To inform people about the benefits of working remotely. So an informative essay gives the audience information on a topic they may not have known about before. So my job is to find the research and to give an overview, a full explanation of these 3 body points, informing my audience of the benefits of working remotely. So notice how we took this same topic, working remotely. One, it was from personal experience. Now it's from the angle of informing people and using research to inform people about the benefits of working remotely. Again, the same topic, 2 different ways to approach it, 2 different essays. The third essay is the stance essay or the argument essay. Stance means argument. The same topic, working remotely. This time you need to take a position about working remotely. A possible position, which will be your thesis, could be corporations should offer remote employment to decrease absences, to increase productivity, and to expand their brand globally. Now understand that in essay number 2, informative, and now in essay number 3, stance or argument essay, you are writing in third person. There is no I, we, me, us, our, no first or second pronouns. You're using third person academic writing style for the informative and for the argument. So you would never put, I think corporations should. You're not going to put I in it. You're writing corporations should offer remote employment to decrease absences, to increase productivity, and to expand their brand globally. Notice again that parallel writing structure: to decrease, to increase, to expand. That's how you want to work your points into your thesis. So again, you're going to use research to prove your point. Why should corporations offer remote employment? For these 1, 2, 3 reasons. Who can I find? What information, what research can I find to support my ideas, these 1, 2, 3 ideas on why companies or corporations should offer remote employment? That's why I'm going to the research. So with this one, you're going to focus on how and why. How are absences decreased and why? How is productivity increased and why? How can they expand their brand and why? What would that mean for them? So this is the approach that you're taking with this same topic, working remotely, from the perspective of a stance or argument essay. Okay, that's it. If you need to rewind this presentation, look at it again, and allow it to soak into your mind, then go ahead and do that. Remember, we are always here to help. And if you need more practice on your writing, please go to our websites for more resources, easyedits.net and arhampton.com. Thank you so much and happy learning.